I'm Bob with Quilters Headquarters, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a real quick video on how to oil the hook on your long arm machine. And so, and I'm doing it on a Qnique. They're pretty much all set up the same way. So down here, you pull your bobbin case out and take away the strobe. There you go. There's a flashlight. And I'm going to, you hold the camera still and I'll move the light till I don't have a glare. You can wipe this out with your paintbrush. And then right here, see where I'm pointing at this? Right, kind of there, no glare. There we go. That groove right there, that's where the two pieces of metal meet. Now, some people say that's not very adequate. It's very adequate for us. It's worked for many, many years. You put a drop of oil there every time you change the bobbin. And then about every 15, 20 hours or so, the other machines varies, but on the Qnique you need to oil the needle bar. And the needle bar is right in here, and you can spot it in that hole. You probably can't do it with the camera very easily, but you put a drop of oil there. The manual tells you to do it on these holes up here, but it doesn't work very well.
I do it on the take-up bar hole.
And so you can do it right here, and you do it right here.
Yeah, I do it in the take-up. I shine the flashlight in there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, and Lori does it right here on hers. On the 15, you can also get it there in here. And so you just put a few drops on that. But that's at like every 15, 20 hours or so. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to share, join the channel. Okay, thanks. Bye.